Well, welcome back again, my young Padawans. So today we're looking at doing the 9 points of striking with the defensive blocks to go with it. And nice little treat, we got the Dark Saber to play with today. Let's get this going. Alright, so basically we got our 9 points. If we look at my body here, straight on, we come across roughly the neck, shoulder region for strike 1. And the opposite, flip over, 2. Then we come down to the waist level, as we saw with Darth Maul, 3 and 4. We have our legs, 5, so a diagonal strike down, 6. Then we have, you can take this for either way, normal or inverted, an upwards strike. You'd almost call that a 7-8. We have straight over the top, straight down, and then we have our stab, straight down the middle. Now for a higher stab, you could still shoot up, or you can invert that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So then our blocks for these. So if that's all the attacks, there's a way to defend all these as well. So 1, single hand, double-handed, depending on how you're grabbing things. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7, which can be either way as well. 8, again, inverted and normal. And for that stab, just block or block. Now, these are standard blocks. The saber stays upright, but this can also be inverted when doing these depending on the current movements. So you can block, block, or if you're here, block, 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 along with those for the midsection, and then when you go low, you're still just blocking right. So, and then the same thing, boom, boom, we have our inverts in here as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Block, 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 block. Now when doing something like this, it can be important to create a little bit of a slope rather than trying to meet it square on. Now this is depending, you could catch with a straight, or with that slope you have the ability to slide it off or deflect it away. So there we have our 9 strikes with defense points, with some little variations that you can dabble in at your own practice. That's another lesson. Hope to see you again. Stay cool. Out. West.